Anybody remember the last time he took a girl out to a place like this? Me neither.
I actually ate here once. It was just okay.
Uh-oh. It's shaky time again!
What do you expect? The explosion weakened the building.
Yeah, let's not dilly-dally, okay? I've got a few complaints about the service.
They're not gonna let us take this boat without a fight.
We need to get to the kitchen. Health Inspector! Hey, follow the gas lines. This kitchen could get a lot hotter. Just trust me on this. Get out of here!
Do you have any idea what you're doing?
No, not really. All right, come on. Come on. Come on, let's go.
This This is the plan?
All right, save it, Paddock. Let's go.
Perfect.
Oh, there we go.
Look at her go!
Ooh, ouch! That's gotta hurt!
Take out the
that
gondolas.
demon just got sacked!
There's more
Watch
trucks
the
on
lift
the road!
car!
Shoot the hooks!
Just a little bit more!
Now to find out how seaworthy this hunk of rust really is. Someone here knows how to steer a ship, right? We're gonna kill the Locust, all of them, for good. That's what's at stake.
This planet's ruined. Let the grubs have it.
We've all lost people. All of us.
You wanna know what happened to Sophia? Kidnapped while she was out on patrol. I watched it happen through my scope. I was only able to kill one of them. He dropped these. You wanna stay friends? Let's never see each other again.
You know, a couple of times a day, I almost wanted to call you sir. Ah. Yeah.
Day's not over yet. Let's go find Marcus and Dom.
Their turn to save the day.
Thanks, Cole.
My pleasure, sir.